In this video, I'll show you how to set up shared budgets in Google Ads so multiple campaigns can draw from a single daily budget. Shared budgets are useful when you want Google Ads to distribute spending automatically across several campaigns instead of assigning separate budgets to each one. To begin, log into your Google Ads account and click Tools from the left navigation menu. Then go to Budgets and Bidding and select Shared Budgets, which is the section where you manage budgets that can be applied to multiple campaigns. Here you'll see any existing shared budgets along with the campaigns connected to them. To create a new one, click the plus icon and give your budget a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Next, select the campaigns that should use this shared budget and enter the average amount you want to spend each day across all selected campaigns combined. Keep in mind that Google Ads may slightly adjust daily spending based on traffic, but it generally aims to match your set average over time. Review performance regularly and adjust the budget if needed as your campaigns scale. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.